GoHighLevel just leveled up their game. They've added skills in the SKI right here, as you can see, and you can now manage skills inside SKI. So what does this mean? This means that you can pretty much describe a skill, a specific action that will turn into a skill, and then GoHighLevel, or in this case SKI, will become smarter for that skill. So for example, as you can see, if you go to skills and manage skills, you can add a skill by this creating with SKI, uploading a skill, or writing skill instructions. So for example, what I did is I went in Claude and I said, I need a skill that will write Facebook, Instagram ad copy for a specific thing. In this case, that specific thing is for a real estate niche, for a brokerage that is selling New York City apartments under $400,000, targeted at first-time home buyers. So this is what I did, and as you can see, I can literally save skill inside Claude, or I can just download it as MD. So here what you can do is you can obviously, you have three different options. You can create with SKI, you can upload the skill, or you can write skill instructions. These two are by far the best ones. I don't usually go with this one, so if I want, I can click upload skill here, and as you can see, I have this MD file that I got from Claude. And as you can see, that skill is now uploaded right here. Now, what I can also do is I can go to Claude and I can say, hey, Claude, just give me a description for a skill. Yeah, I'll just copy and paste it. You pretty much have this right here. And you can go and you can, you can add it like this and then create with SKI. You can describe it in chat and SKI AI will write it for you. Now, as you can see, this is skill MD and this is now enabled. So if we go back here, we can go here, skills, we can click this, and then we can say, create me 3 ads, right? And then it will go and it will basically use this skill to create the 3 ads for this specific, like a real estate brokerage firm. Now, again, this is how I got started. So I just said, what type of skills can you create for me in the MD file? And then it obviously, described. And then I said, can you create me an MD file for a skill where AI creates ad copy for the real estate market for apartments under $400,000 in New York for first home buyers, and also generates creatives for it. So now basically, as you can see here, it will ask me, we have 3 different properties or 1 property, and we can just, do that. We can say Brooklyn, 389K. We can do that. Paste the property details, neighborhood, okay. Then as you can see, building type, if 1 property, condo, and then we can just go here, any buyer incentives. So let's say this is Sonima eligible, and then prefer call to action. Let's say, learn more. As you can see, it will ask you pretty much everything, brokerage name, team brokerage. Like, let's do that. And then you submit, and then based on this, it will create the creatives and everything like that. Now, all this is being done. We actually done similar creatives right here, as you can see. Walk to everything, come home to views. Then just listed in Berry Hills, move fast. Smart first buy, as you can see. Here we need input again. Which neighborhood in Brooklyn? Bushwick. And then here we can see any standout features, no standout features. Okay, so as you can see, it will ask you pretty much all these questions because we build an MD file here, which pretty much asks all these questions. So as you can see now, it has enough to write the ads. On the right side, you can see pretty much everything. And keep in mind, like, these skills can be pretty much anything, right? You can build a skill around the ads, around even videos in this day and age. Like, you can do that inside GoHighLevel. I will show you that in another video. You can actually connect Hicksfield MCP, which is, quite good. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Now we'll actually go in here and we'll see if it can generate the ads for us. But as I said, like, you have the ads right here. Like, I already, before I needed to write all of this. Now, because of the skills, it will actually know what I need. So if I go to manage skills, I can even edit the skills right here, right? I can trash it, I can enable it, disable it, And as you can see, I will have it everything right here. If I click view, I can view it this way or I can view it this way. So yeah, you can kind of see, you can edit this as well in Claude, and then you can edit inside MD file like this. I think MD file is the best, but you can also describe it this way. So there are plenty of different ways you can do this. So as you can see now, it will write add copy. It will generate the visual mockups, which is 1080 by 1080, and then it will deliver final ads. As you can see, the brand board is minimal, so I'll apply a classic real estate palette, now generating all 3 ad mockups. Now, in this case, you can also have like a brand board inside a skill. So let's say you have a specific colors you want to use, you can describe that in a skill, and your skill literally can be as specific as it gets. Brand colors, logos, whatever you want to kind of have, you can have it inside GoHighLevel. So as you can see here, we have headlines for ad 1. So these are just the headlines, and as you can see, it's generated right here the ad, which looks really cool. Okay, then we have the second ad right here. As you can see, it looks really cool. Even better in some cases than ChatGPT ads because it's more specific. And as you can see, we have a third ad right here, and pretty much everything in just like a couple of minutes. So you can see how this works. And again, this is by far the best and easiest way to create pretty much anything in GoHighLevel with these skills, okay? Now, if you want to test this out for yourself, go and check out my GoHighLevel link below. We have 30-day free trial. And again, this is just for a limited amount of people. So if you want to go and check it out, check it out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.